Hello and welcome to Fulda. This is a new camper van event and this is Auto Able service from nearby. Fulda is in central Germany in Hesse, very close to where the former border was with East Germany and now the current border with Thuringia. Eura Mobil 695 and very attractive vehicle. Let's have a look inside. So the Integra line is the top of the range from Eura Mobil, although this vehicle is, although in the top of the range models, is not the top of the range model. Nonetheless, it's going to cost €107,000. This is 7 meters long, 232 wide and 288 at its highest point. This has got this German layout here. You can see two singles which have been joined in the middle by the use of this and these two mattresses. So if you can see the steps up, but if they're both there, you can only use the first step. In here we will find storage. There's a wardrobe, and in here there's storage as well. Now, and of course storage at the back of the vehicle, windows on either side, and nice little touch, these ones, the storage as well. Now this is the 2023 model, which is somewhat different to earlier models in its appearance. Now you see there is a flat floor. It's a double floor, as you can tell from the hatches, and I shall open this one here at random, which has got storage. Now the storage isn't super deep. It's not as deep as it is in some Heimer or Cartago models, but it's still here, and that's the important thing. For those of you who know previous models, the water tank was there, if I remember rightly. Kitchen, rather wide, a lot of space. Sink. So the sink will slide backwards and forwards as and when needed if one's using the shower or using the toilet. There is also a plastic, what can I call this? A plastic barrier. No, that's not the right thing. It's, well, anyway, plastic door, plastic whatever, to stop the toilet getting wet. And I've asked people in the past, what's that called? And I still don't know the answer. Right, just say the price, 107,000, I think I did. Let's have a look in here. Lots of storage, used to its full extent. And now here's a drop down bed. Now to get the bed to drop down, I can't drop the bed down because I'd have to move the chairs. I can't do that by myself, but I'll do it in some other video to demonstrate. So the chairs will actually come down. You've got the chairs up like that now and they have to come down like that. That's quite easy to do, but not with one holding a camera in one hand. And the bed will come down as well without any problems. So you can sleep 4 here, but you can get it without the bed up front, and that'll give you all of this extra space. Now what's it like with the bed? Well, let's have a look. I'll just stand under it and you can see. So there's me, and as you can see, my head's going down, so that's the reason I don't like beds. Better idea, get a mattress, get one of these air mattresses. They cost next to nothing, they blow up in no time at all, take hardly any space, and then you get all of that space behind you for use for storage. Although you'll need a little bit for the mattress. Now, I am a bit of a fan of Eura Mobil, and I think that their vehicles are very attractive. The company's been on the go for many years, and so it's one of these companies that sort of does appeal to me. Didn't show you the fridge. Somebody will complain if I don't show the fridge. Now, in last night's video, I didn't show the fridge, though admittedly I forgot. And there's all sorts of people complaining not seeing the fridge. In the door, we find an integrated fly screen, as you can see down there. Garage here is enormous, although it's locked, so I won't open it. But it gives you an idea from the size of the door how big the garage is going to be. 250 kilos will go into that garage. You easily get a couple of bikes. And there's place for a couple of bikes on the back as well. And yeah, you can see the door on the garage door on this side is a bit smaller. Next door down's for the gas, and that's the ventilation for the fridge. Integrated vehicle, also can be in semi-integrated on a Fiat Ducato basis. Now, currently Fiat's having problems with deliveries, so this affects all Fiat vehicles. So I don't know what the waiting time is at present for something of this nature. My advice has always been in the past, well, you get something used. Thing is, these days you can't really get anything used because there is a shortage of them as well. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15, and I sometimes upload at other times as well. I do live talks from places such as this. This is Fulda, as I said earlier, and this is the first time this event has ever been held. But this company here, Auto Able Service, is quite local, so I suppose I could always pop down and see them in the future if I were so inclined. It's on a route I frequently use, or close to a route I frequently use, between Zgorzelec in Poland and Dusseldorf in Germany. So all the best from me, and bye for now.